Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about that Docker CMD and entry points. We will explain using the tomcat container image, right? How we will use CMD, how we will override CMD, how we will use entry point, how we will override entry point. This is a complete hands-on lab, right? So let's start. So we will able to log in into the server and I will show you. Cat Docker. We are Docker file. We are using this as a slim type of image. If you want like explore what is slim alpine, so I have already created a one Docker Docker image introduction video. So you have to go through my first or second video. This is a work directory. I am installing this, right, and this is my sample war. This is my default tomcat path and copy server.xml inside that, right? Expose, it's port 8080, it will work. Entry point, I'm using initially this, right, and I'm creating image by doing this, and CMD this, right? Okay, and later on I will in a runtime I will override this, right, and using this command. Okay, entry point, this will replace with this will replace with this, but during the while running this command, while running the container itself, using the image created by this and this. Okay, so I hope you got it. I will show you. So I'm going to create docker build -t new. This is the image name, right, and -f docker file. Alright, this is the one, right? So let's start. This is building image in progress right now. So docker images, this is the tnew, it's a latest, right? This is created, it's just right, this has been created, and it is earlier I have created this, right? Okay, so it's already in cache, so that's why it's right immediately, it's cached this with this tag, right? So now what we are going to do, I will run the container, right? Okay guys, I have just checked the docker, so that is the running. So docker container is stop, this is stop, and this is remove, right? Now I'm running a new container, docker run -itd, name is test container -v. This is the host port from this server itself. I'm running that. This is a container port, container already inside the docker file. I showed you this is expose in 8080, so that's why I keep it. I'm just, so this is looks like showing docker images. So tnew, right? Okay, image name. So I'm just running tnew, and this will create a one running container. I will show you docker ps-a. Right now this is the same, right, in command section. Okay, it's a cat docker file. This is like entry point, and this, sorry, this is the enabled, this is has, and this is, so these are showing here, right? Okay, I will override this for catalin.sh and run. So how we will do that, right? I will show you. Right now that is running, and our port is right 8081. So let's do that. 1227 8081. So this is running right now. Now we are going to override entry point and CMD. Okay, how we will do that? Okay guys, I wrote the command docker run. We have to, if we want to override entry point, so we just need to give entry point. By default entry point it has the value, right? So we would like to make only null. There is no values. ITD, name, CMD test. I changed the name already. Container name, port I have 8080. This is host port. This is container port, and before that 8081. So that's why there is no issues with port. mismatch. T new, this is the image is same, right, earlier as well, this one as well. And inside that catalana.ss.run I pass, so these two values will be override by CMD, because we do not need to explicitly mention CMD, right, to override, just like an entry point. Entry point will be null, so initially entry point will be this, right, and CMD this, right. So this values, okay, and this is already showing here, already running container, okay. So I will show you after this running command. Okay, docker ps hyphen a, there is a two command, okay. Our new one, this is the values, image is same, okay, image created with that, right, CMD and entry point, but I will override while creating new. Entry point is null, this is second, and this is 80, and this is the name is CMD test. I hope that is explained CMD versus entry point, how we will override during the runtime of the container and all these things. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. If you want more production issues and all these things, so suggest comment over this video, okay. So I will share this all these deep dive actual production issues, right. So initially earlier we accessible by this, right. So let's hope, okay, we are able to go by this as well, 8080, because our host port is 8080, okay. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe, and if you want like more videos, so please do comments. Thank you, thanks for watching.